Better to sit with the owl than fly with the hawk. A drunk woman is an open door. He whose house is made of glass must beware of throwing stones at others. Who wants to sell a blind horse boasts of its legs. The cat does not give up taking mice. In the land of the lame, everyone thinks he walks straight. Better a sparrow in the hand than a pigeon on the roof. Better a healthy peasant than a sick emperor. The woman, like the moon, shines with a borrowed luster. A handful of luck is better than a bag full of wisdom. A woman and a stove should not move from the house. The promise has legs, only the gift has hands. When the wolf teaches the geese their prayers, he crunches them for his fee. The best carpenter is the one who makes fewer shavings. He who does not punish evil invites it. A good soldier should think of only 3 things: 1, the king; 2, to God; 3, to nothing. What you can't hold, you have to let rot. When pride comes, happiness goes. Prince who has no ears to listen has no head to govern. Husband hitting his wife hits her left hand with the right. He who burnt his tongue no longer forgets to blow on his soup. Wickedness is learned without a master. Gluttony empties the pockets. Never compromise, or you'll leave your clothes there. The bird sings as its beak allows. Wine brings secrets to life. Better the dictatorship of iron than the anarchy of gold. What displeases you in me amends it in you. No one is luckier than the one who believes in his luck. Hares are caught with dogs, women with money, and fools with praise. A man wears his age in his bones, a woman in her face. Three things enter a house unannounced: debts, old age, and death. Criticizing the state is your right, but do not forget that the state is you. Where the woman reigns, the devil is prime minister. Youth is drunkenness without wine, and old age is wine without drunkenness. The youth believe many things that are wrong. Old age doubts many things that are true. By not lending, you lose friends. By lending, one wins enemies. Large trees provide more shade than fruit. You have to eat like a healthy man and drink like a sick person. Who bathes his hands in blood will wash him in tears. Maidens are fresh grapes, and old maidens are raisins. All kinds of people tell the truth: fools, children, and drunkards. Three things are fleeting: the echo, the rainbow, the beauty of women. Pride and stupidity are made of the same wood.